Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models and welcome to this month's show for March 2021. Now, sorry, it's going to be a bit of a short show. I'm not really going to be covering the usual stuff, only because things are so busy behind the scenes. As I've already mentioned, we've got this whole new website and store coming up, a lot of work going on, and there's going to be a lot of work this month behind the scenes. So I'm just going to keep this quick. We'll just quickly announce the competition and a few other things and talk about the future of Genessis Models as well. So just quickly whacking out the competition for last month, which was for February 2021. Remember, the prize was, if you are a normal member, you just get any one kit from the Genessis Model store up to a value of £40. But if you are a subscribing member and you win, the value of one single kit up to the value of £75. So after doing the usual random number generation program, counting down the thread, I came to Connolly. So congratulations to you, Connolly. You are the winner of last month's competition. All you got to do is give me an email, let me know if you're a subscribed member or not, and pick whatever kit you want from the Genessis Models store up to whatever value it is, depending on what type of member you are, and then I'll get that shipped out to you free of charge. Which brings us to this month's competition, which is basically the same competition, in which, as I say, you if you're a normal member, any one kit up to the value of £40. If you're a subscribing member, any one kit up to the value of £75. And all you got to do is go to Genessis Models forum and post in the March 2021 competition topic, and all you got to do is post anything you like, count me in or something to that effect, give feedback, whatever you want to do, and you are simply entered. And I'll announce that in the next month's competition. I do want to sort of throw out there as well, I have noticed, for some strange reason, last month a lot of people started setting up their own topics for the competition, which doesn't technically count, and it was kind of a bit of a shame, because I set up the topic and then you guys post in there and you're entered into the competition. But a few of you set up your own topic, and then a few people kind of followed and also commented in those topics as well, and you're not actually entered. So you've got to join the topic that I set up, which will be March 2021 competition, and just posting, then you're entered. So just to hopefully clear up any confusion there. So the future Genessis Models and what's going on. Well, as I say, a lot of work going on behind the scenes. The website, it's really starting to look amazing, actually. It really sort of, I don't want to give too much away because it's going to be a nice surprise when it's launched, but there's so many features that I'm starting to see. The website developers have done a lot of the back end of the website, which I haven't been able to see what it is going to come from that, but they've started doing sort of the front end. So I'm starting to see how the blog system and the news system is going to work, the videos are going to work, and the way the store is going to work, and it just makes our old website look ancient and horrible. It really is that good, and because everything's all joined up, for example, and it's all one account system now, it's like if you're viewing the videos and you say you're seeing an inbox review of, say, a Spitfire by Edard, we can put not a link, but we can actually put that product to buy in the store on the video page, right? And the cool thing is you can actually click add to basket and buy that kit from the video page, right? So you technically can buy what you see in the videos without actually going to the store, right? And that's kind of like a cool little feature, which I quite like, because it just kind of shows how bringing everything together on one platform and one account system, how we can do so many cool things and whatnot. But yeah, that's all coming on quite nicely. I have finished all the store now. All the products for the new store is all on the new store, and that's pretty much finished, actually. Maybe sort of a few sort of front end visualization things to make it look nice and pretty, but that's all done. Got that done last month. This month I want to be tackling all of the videos. You know, we've got a 1,000 videos that we've accumulated over the past 10 years, and all that content has got to go over onto the new website, which is what I'm going to be doing this month, which as you can potentially maybe imagine, is going to be a lot of hours. I've kind of worked it out and estimated, and we're talking almost 30 to 40 hours extra work a week for the next 4 weeks to get all those 1,000 videos in there. So I'm going to be working morning, day, night, weekends, the whole lot for a whole month to get all that done. So, you know, this is why it's a bit of a short sort of you know, sort of just me talking sort of show. The next thing is the future of Genessis models. Now, I'd like to get a load of feedback from you guys, because the new website is getting close. We're almost getting to a point where we can announce a launch date. Hopefully, I mean, I don't want to, you know, make promises, but hopefully we can give you a launch date next month, and hopefully the month after that we can launch it. Is sort of like the plan. All right, but don't hold me to that. You know, so, you know, because we're sort of having all this new stuff come in. Oh, and by the way, we turned into a limited company as well, just to kind of show you how much we're sort of progressing. We're going from the one-man band, self-employed type business to a proper limited company now. With all these things moving forward, you know, I want to get your feedback, because I kind of want to sort of think about the videos a bit, because once all this website business is out the way and we've launched it and everything, and I've put all this hard work in, right, I can really sort of get back to concentrating, you know, just basically 100% on the videos and building videos and making videos, right? You know, and I want your feedback, because I'd like to sort of, you know, see if we can sort of improve the videos, maybe change them, change their format, change their direction, so as we can make the videos better as well. A few ideas I'm thinking of, but I want feedback. Any of you guys, you know, come up with any ideas, absolutely fantastic. But like the step-by-steps, we're going to change the sort of, shall we say, categorizing the step-by-steps now. Before it used to be, you know, it's a step-by-step, and we also had rapid video builds for, say, the advanced modeler. You know, we're just making a simple change, like turning the step-by-steps into step-by-step basic, intermediate and advanced, and we're going to drop the rapid video builds just to make the whole sort of explanation and the searching of it easier for you guys to understand. That, you know, if this step-by-step is classed as basic, then I'm going to be teaching somebody who is basically a new member who's basic. So if you watch it, you know that I'm going to be showing you everything, right? I'm going to be showing you, you know, silly little things like how to cut properly off of a sprue, which I appreciate some of you advanced guys would find a bit boring, but you new guys, you know, knowing these basics is good to sort of get you, you know, moving up to intermediate, then advanced. So we're going to be categorizing it like that. Also, we're changing it because the new website, the videos are going to be sort of, shall we say, a bit like a store format, in which you'll have down one side a filter in which you can you know, click, say, inbox reviews, and it will show you all the inbox reviews. You can then click, say, Tamiya, so then it will show you all the Tamiya inbox reviews, and then you can click scale, and then you'll just see the scale, and you can break down 1,000 videos, right? Because it is a bit cluttered on the old website. So the new website will be able to take 1,000 videos, break it down into what you're looking for, and be able to find things a lot easier. So there's all that. And then there's also things like, you know, even down to inbox reviews. I mean, just kind of like letting me know, you know, to help me sort of move things forward with the videos after the website's launched, to be like things like inbox reviews. I mean, I think they're quite good, but like, you know, if you guys think that maybe I'm adding too much information or not enough information, maybe, you know, you guys would like me to talk more about that, say, inbox review, that kit, maybe go into more detail, or even to go off and go, do you know what, maybe sort of break it down and sort of squeeze down inbox reviews to maybe 5 minutes and just leave out a lot of the boring stuff and just really get straight to the point. You know, it's kind of a hard one to judge, right? Because, you know, with inbox reviews, I know people like to go into loads of detail, but then I know some people kind of like to just get to the point. It's a hard one to balance, but you know, there's things like that, feedback on that. Another thing I was kind of thinking was, you know, we do a show, this show, as you can see, every single month, right? I was kind of thinking it might be cooler that we went to a weekly, maybe a news vlog, where we sort of you know, each week we can go off and sort of, you know, let's talk about what we've been building, you know, what say inbox reviews we've done, what tutorials we've done, maybe sort of show your guys work on the forum, talk about the latest kit releases in the new store, and you know, sort of anything and everything, sort of like go into a weekly sort of basis instead of a monthly basis. You know, let me know about that, something I'm thinking. I mean, there's all sorts of areas. I mean, you know, what videos do you guys like to see more than others? You know, do you guys like to see tutorials more, inbox reviews, product reviews, you know, step by steps? Do you like to see basic more, intermediate more, advanced more? You know, all these kind of things. And I say, even just go nitpicking at sort of like how I sort of do things, the format of things, you know, all this feedback can help me sort of, what I want to do is, you know, just make everything across the board way better than it was before when we release this new website. So all your feedback on the videos will be fantastic. Constructive criticism, the whole 9 yards, you know, whatever you can give. You can comment down below on YouTube. You can go to Genesis Models forum, where I'm going to post this in the news section. You can comment down there as well. PMs, emails, phone calls, texts, whatever you want to do to contact me and sort of give me that feedback and help me sort of move Genesis Models in the best direction possible for all you guys. And so that's it. Sorry it's been sort of not your usual show, but there's so much going on. Hopefully I've covered everything, because my mind's just like, you know, so many things going on, setting up limited companies. We've got to set up new sort of finances and bank accounts, and you know, all this website, store business, website developing, everything going on, loads going on. So hopefully I've covered everything, but you know, as always, until next time in the next show, which hopefully we'll have a launch date. I really hope we'll have a launch date for you in the next show. But as always, until next time, my name is Barbara Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.